In this fast-paced, high-efficiency era, people now have higher expectations for a small minifix. We will compare the Jinio minifix with the traditional minifix. The traditional minifix is made of annealed wire. Annealed wire is brittle and prone to graphitization fractures. It often rusts and corrodes. Additionally, it contains chromium and nickel elements, which can pollute the environment. The Jinio minifix uses phosphorized wire. Phosphorized wire has higher corrosion resistance than annealed wire. It also meets environmental standards, minimizing its impact on the environment. Traditional minifix installation steps are cumbersome. Using a traditional screwdriver often leads to strip threads or misaligned shafts. Jinio minifix uses an original sleeve installation method. Simply insert the Jinio minifix with adhesive particles into the sleeve. The sleeve and Jinio minifix have built-in magnetic attraction. Directly install it into the hole in one step. We conducted tests using a tensile strength testing instrument. We found that the tensile strength of the traditional minifix system was only 35 Newton. While the Jinio minifix system achieved an impressive 89 Newton. We conducted an eccentric wheel torque test using professional testing equipment. Using the same torque for testing. When the torque reached 7 Newton, the traditional eccentric wheel showed significant damage. While the Jinio eccentric wheel remained intact.